Stop scrolling. In 5 years, 90% of what you do online, you won't be doing it anymore. From writing essays to running businesses, AI tools are quietly replacing everything we do on the internet. Not tomorrow, now. Meet your second brain. AI agents like ChatGPT, Claude, and AutoGPT can research, think, write, code, summarize, and even plan your entire week. Students are using it to study. Creators are using it to script and edit videos. Entrepreneurs, they're launching full businesses with prompts. AI productivity is the new superpower. Right now, you use 10 to 20 apps daily. But, AI wants to replace all of them. Imagine a single voice command. Plan my trip to Japan, book flights, create a vlog title, edit my intro video, and email my boss. Done. Instantly. That's the power of multimodal AI. Text, video, voice, visuals, one brain, infinite tools. Freelancers are using AI to double output. Agencies are ghost running with 0 employees. Solopreneurs, they're building AI armies. Welcome to the era of digital workers. Virtual assistants that code, sell, support, and manage while you sleep. AI won't steal your job, but someone using AI will. In 2023, over 100 million people used ChatGPT. By 2025, over 40% of workers will be using AI tools daily. Some startups now have more AI agents than human employees. Still think you have time to wait and see? AI doesn't wait, and it definitely doesn't sleep. The real battle isn't AI versus humans. It's AI plus humans versus everyone else. So, the question isn't if AI will replace your online habits. The question is, will it replace you? Subscribe if you're ready to lead the AI revolution, not get left behind.